If you have your Apple AirPods in your Android phone and you want them to be connected, so in this video I'll tell you how, and watch it till the end, because in the end I'll give you a little bonus of enhancing your AirPods experience with your Android phone. So first of all, you want to open up your settings on your Android phone. Now choose your connections tab and locate your Bluetooth. Let's turn it on. After that, grab your AirPods, open up the lid. Now flip them, and here locate your little round white button. Hold your finger on it until the light on the AirPods will start glowing with a white color. Now let's press scan again on our Android phone, and when you will see your AirPods in the available devices list, simply tap on them and press pair. Great. Now our AirPods are connected and we can use them. Basically, that's it. And here is a bonus. To see the amount of battery left on your AirPods and for the pad and feather controls, I recommend you using Pods Link application. There are actually many different applications which are kind of the same. So install it to get your further control and information on your device. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.